There's one celebrity that I always get that I remind them of them. And I'm going to recreate their makeup. Let's recreate Jenna Ortega's makeup. And I'm going to be doing this makeup, specifically the eye makeup, because I just feel like I can recreate that and it looks so pretty. This is the close-up of the eye. So basically it's going to be an eyeliner on top and a little wing liner on the bottom. I can do this. First, we have to get the brows in because I don't have those brows. So I'm going in with this Give Beauty bronzer to use that all over my lid because she seems like she has like a bit of brown. So we're going to add that all over the lid here. Just kind of creating a little bit more depth. This Give Beauty shade right here, I'm going to use that and add it on the lid. Just to kind of like make it more lighter because that's what she has it there. Looks a bit darker in the picture, but I feel like this is actually the way it looked in person. Now I'm going to go in with this Pixie eyeliner. This is the Pixie Lash Line ink, and I'm going to create that wing liner. Bring it up a little, not so much on the lash line. And we're going to just wing that out. Slowly bring that back in. We're going to bring it all the way across because that's how she has it. The wing liner on the top is done. I'm going to create the bottom one. Just very slowly because we don't want to mess this up. Eyes are done. I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. This is a white eyeliner from About Face. This is a Line Artist in shade High Altitude. And it's a white eyeliner. So I'm going to add that right in the waterline. We're going to slowly just add it. And then adding it a little bit out in the outer corner. Kind of like that. But I'm going to add the lashes now. I added some mascara on the top and bottom. So we're going to add lashes now. A little bit of length on those lashes. She has a little bit of lashes. Maybe they're tiny, but she has some lashes on. With the lip, I'm going to go in with the Hershey's, the Glam Light and Hershey's lip combo. Because I feel that she has like really like pinkish kind of lips. And this color kind of matches that. The lipstick first. I'm going in with the lip liner that it comes with. It's a little bit more dark just to add a little bit definition. Add definition to the top part of my lip and the bottom just because she does have plumped lips. So we're going to do that. Like that. And then we're going to add a little bit of gloss. Okay, so this is the final look of the eye look that I created because everyone tells me that I remind them of Jenna Ortega. I hear it every night at work, all the time. I tend to not smile as much. I don't know why. I always have like a RBF face. So I'm going to show you guys normally how I look when I don't talk or smile. That's my face. That's my face. So, what do you guys think? You guys a close-up of the makeup. It looks like this. Really, really easy to do, but it's so pretty. What do you guys think? I feel like I nailed it.